Hey, you watching this video, stop wishing that you were different. Open your eyes and realize there's beauty, not misery in that mirror. Nothing about you needs to change physically except the perception you have of yourself. Who cares that your past isn't pure? Whose is? Who cares that your soul's been a little scarred? Whose hasn't? Just because your past has been damaged doesn't mean that your future has to be worthless. You're not alone. Nobody's perfect. Perfection is something that can only be faked, not lived. No matter how well it's covered up, underneath it all, we all, including myself, underneath it all, we all are beautifully damaged in some way. I think it's about that time for you to stop rejecting your reflection. I think it's about that time for you to start owning everything that you are. Erase those stupid, untrue rules that you have put on your worth. You don't have to be a certain size or color to be beautiful. You don't have to be liked by everybody to feel significant. You don't have to have everything to feel like nothing is missing. Comparison is the thief to all joy. All you have to be is you. Get that. Your perfectly flawed self. Own it. Love everything about you, because what you focus on is what you will feel. Insecurities lose power once you stop measuring your life and start appreciating your life. Nothing about you, get this, nothing about you is useless. We are all a little broken our own little way. And the last time I checked, broken crayons still color the same. And I'll leave you with this quote. I don't know a perfect person. I only know flawed people who are still worth loving. John Green said that the best. And believe me, each and every one of you watching this video that's hurting, it's still worth loving. You're perfectly flawed, and that's what makes you special. But like I said at the end of every single video, it all starts with you. You keep moving forward, you let nothing hold you back. You LB, be it, live it, breathe it, be it, and never let this world take your smile. It's rehab time. Let's get it. And if it's on your heart, please share this video, because there's a lot of people in this world that are suffering behind smiles. And I know this will help. Thank you.